Hey everyone, so right now I'm filming my July favorites video, and honestly this month was super freaking hot, like hotter than a freaking sauna, and hotter than I am right now because I'm actually cold right now. But anyways, yeah, this month has been really hot, so I haven't been wearing that much makeup, but the things that I have been wearing I've really been enjoying, so I thought I would share them with you guys. So I'm going to start off with face products, and the first thing I have here is a new foundation that I actually love. Like, I like this better than my Makeup Forever HD foundation, I think. And I just filmed a foundation routine with it, but I'm not sure which video will be up first. But this is the Rimmel Wake Me Up foundation, and it has the anti-fatigue effect plus radiant glow. And I absolutely love this, and it has a pump, which makes everything better. And I'm in 100 Ivy because, or Ivy, Ivory. Ivy's like a poisonous thing. 100 Ivory, and yes, I'm a pale ghost, so it's pretty light, but it covers everything, and it's not heavy at all. It kind of feels like a BB cream to me. And then the next thing I have here is a concealer, and this is the Benefit Fake Up Concealer. And I really like this because it has a hydrating balm on the outside and then the concealer on the inside. So it helps with like creasing and just doesn't like crease throughout the day like I said, because it doesn't, I don't know, it has the hydrating balm. So yeah, that really helps with that. And I actually like this better than my Erase Paste. And I think this is $26 at Sephora. And I'm in 101 Light, if you're wondering. And then the next thing I have here is a blush, and this is a Victoria's Secret blush, which I've never used their makeup before, but I was just in there the other day and they had like a sale going on, and this is their Silky Powder blush in Fame, and it's just this hot pink color. It looks really bright on camera right now, but I'm wearing it right now and it comes off very natural, and it's just really nice for the summertime, so I definitely actually recommend their blushes. And I picked up another one, but I haven't tried that one out yet. And then the next thing I have here is a lipstick, and this is in Cream Cup by MAC, and this is just like one of their regular lipsticks that everybody knows of and knows them for. The reason I've been liking this is just because I dab it on my lips over top of a lip balm and then add a little bit of a gloss on top, so it doesn't like cake on like most lipsticks do, which if you've watched my previous videos you know I don't like that at all. But this one I've really been liking this month, and I'm wearing it right now. And then the next thing I have here is an eyeliner, and this is by Kat Von D, and this is her tattoo liner in Trooper. And this, honestly, like I feel like every girl needs to go and get this because it makes your winged liner so good, and it lasts all day. And my friend over here, you like it, right? Yeah, thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. So definitely recommend this, and I think this is $22 at Sephora, and I just threw it. God bless you. And then the next thing I have here is an eyeshadow, and I don't know if I should call this an eyeshadow. Well, it is an eyeshadow, but I use it for something different. I use this just to go along my bottom waterline with my Sigma eyeliner EO5 brush, and it's called Touchdown in London Town, I believe, and this is from their holiday collection, and it's this color right here. So what I do is I just put a little bit on my brush and then run it underneath my bottom lash line, and this just like really helps like to like bring out the color of my eyes. My eyes are kind of green, but they change color every so often, and that just like makes them look really good. So if you have green eyes, I definitely recommend a purple or like royal blue shadow. And then the next thing I have, that's all I have for makeup, but the next thing I have is a nail polish, and this is by Essie, and this is in Boom Boom Room. And that's such a weird name. I feel like I said that in my haul about this. But I'm wearing it right now on my nails, and it's just like a nice pale pink, or I guess not pale pink. What's the color I'm looking for? Like a creamy pink color, that's what I was trying to say. And it looks really nice on short nails because all my nails broke this month. I don't know why they've been so weak. But yeah, I really like this color, and it just like looks really good on short nails. So definitely recommend it if you have short nails. And then the next thing I have here is a hair product, and I'm not sure if I talked about this in my last favorites or in a hair video or something, but this is the Garnier Fructis Style Pure Clean Soothing Cream, and it says that it has 24 hours of anti-frizz control, and this stuff works so good. It's only a couple dollars at the drugstore, and it just like really helps with the frizz in your hair, especially during the summertime. Like, I know my hair gets kind of frizzy during the summertime, so I definitely recommend that if you have frizzy hair, and it just works really well. And then the next thing I have here is actually a hair accessory. I can't talk today. But this is one of the American Apparel bows, and these just look so cute in your hair. It gets the hair out of your face, which is nice for the summertime because then you're not like sweating everywhere. Well, you're still sweating, but it's not as gross feeling. And I really like this one. It's just like in a pale like grayish purple color. And then the next thing I have is on the floor. One second. And like I was saying, the next thing I have here is the Veet Easy Grip Ready to Use Wax Strips, and this says it's for your face and bikini and underarm. I personally use this on my face for my mustache. I don't really have a mustache, but you know what I'm talking about. Your little stray hairs there. And I really like this. It doesn't irritate my skin at all, and I do have very sensitive skin, and it actually hydrates your skin surprisingly. It doesn't like dry it out or anything like that. So if you're worried about that, I definitely recommend these ones. And like I said, these are probably only a couple dollars at the drugstore. I think I got all 24 of them, or 20 of them, for like $8 or something at Shoppers. And then moving on to my favorite clothing here. Everything that I've been wearing this month is pretty much like maxi skirts or maxi dresses. I don't know why, but they're just so comfortable and I absolutely love them. The next thing I guess I could show you guys is my food favorite this month, which is like the best thing on earth. And honestly, you don't even know how much I love these. But these are peaches. I mean, you've probably saw a peach before in your life, but local peaches are like my favorite. Like, I don't eat peaches any other time of the year except for when they're in season. And they're just so good, even though they're really messy because they're really, really juicy. But they're so good, like, oh, best thing about Canada. And then my favorite song this month is Love Like Crazy by Lee Brice. And it's just like the best song. I don't know why. It's just so cute. And it's just, I don't know. I love it. So I'll link that song down below. Okay, that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave any requests down below. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye!